Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today we're outside doing a bleach dye project. For this project, you're going to need old shirts. You're also going to need a squirt bottle, some gloves. You will definitely need some bleach. When you get bleach, definitely use your parents' permission and have them supervise you when you use this item. And then optional, you might want some masking tape or painter's tape of some kind. Here I have two shirts where I did some stripes of tape, and here I taped out a heart on the corner, and that can leave the color underneath when we spray this with our dye. And for our dye, we're actually going to use a combination of water, so I have some water in here, and then we're also going to use our bleach. Okay, so when we're using bleach, we need to be really careful because it can ruin our clothes. You can see here I have not just my apron, but I have tie-dye clothes on, clothes that can get ruined, and clothes that I could use on this project. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So here I have half of this is filled up with water, and I'm going to put some bleach in this now. If you're younger, please get your parents to do this. Here we go. So I've added bleach, so I have a water bleach mixture somewhere around 50%, 50-50. You know, I really want to touch the shirts right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. Since I'm working with bleach and water mixture, you want to go ahead and have gloves if you want to touch the shirts. Here I have some cleaning gloves that I find under my sink. I'm going to spray these down. I want a lot on the bottom of this one. See how it looks. So again, it's really, really important that you have on clothes that you can get ruined. As you can see in my area, I don't have any furniture, anything that's cloth out, unless it's something I want to bleach dye. Alright, so at this point, I had half water, and I had filled it up with bleach, and now the bleach water mixture is down here again. I'm going to add a little more bleach, so this time the bleach and water is not 50-50%. The ratio to bleach to water is higher bleach, so we're going to see how that looks. Class, these are looking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit outside and soak in some more sunlight to let the color change a bit more. During that time, I need to put these clothes in a plastic bag to be safe. Once these have sat out for a few more hours, I'll collect all the clothes, including the ones we sprayed in, and we'll wash them so that there's no more bleach that could get on other things. All right, class, so we're back here. It's been a couple hours. The shirts have been hanging out outside. You can already tell a lot of color has been lost, like this one over here, this green shirt. This black long shirt has become kind of galaxy. It's really pretty. I like that. I wish it did more little bitty spots. I can see like a few spots where it's like really intense bleach. I wish I had a few more of those, so if I have time I could go back and add that. This one, it was really light color to begin with, and it looks like down here where I added most of the bleach, like there's this fun layering. So if you have a tie-dye shirt that you would like to do with this project, I definitely recommend it, but don't be heavy because it takes away a lot of the color. It took away a lot of the color up here, but I can still see some here, and right here it kind of turned out really cool. Look at the back. The back doesn't look bad at all. Actually looks really, really cool when you see the spots where it took out the color that you had added from tie-dye. Let's check out this shirt here. So I really love how this circular print saved the bleach from coming through on this side, and I can see where I sprayed, like I really sprayed close up here at the top. I kind of wish I did that all the way around and pushed the fibers together, because that would have had more of this to add more. Here's another one. Oh, dude, I think this is cool. It almost looks like a frowny face. If I had time, I'd probably go in with another circle right here and go in again with the mouth and make it like a frowny face. Here is this one. I'm really excited to see how this turned out. Let me go ahead and pull this off. So I can see a little light pink heart has been left there. That's pretty, and this looks like a nice little big paisley. And then this one over here, let's see how the tape turned on it. And let's check out then underneath it. Already you can see that line that's left over. And because it's a light color shirt to begin with, this looks so cool from the side. Like from down here, you can see where the dark and the light comes in. So a great trick for my rack here, if you didn't notice, the hangers are rubber band onto the bar so they don't move around, but they stay in their spot. And then at the bottom of my rack, I have some weights down here to help weigh my rack down. You could do this up against a tree if you don't have your own rack. You just want to be sure to do it away from anything that has fibers on it. Like if you have a patio chair with a cushion on it, you would not want your cushion to be there because the cushion could get bleached. All right, class, here we are in the kitchen. You're going to need to have a sink with a stopper. So here I have this. When I push down, it will keep water from draining down. I have some clothing detergent. This is soap especially made for clothes. It's what you use in the washing machine when you wash your clothes, or if you hand wash your clothes, this is the type of soap you'll want to use. And what we're going to do is hand wash some clothes with gloves on. Here I have my biodegradable bag. I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of our shirts, and we're going to rinse them. Washed and rinsed with our detergent. We're going to go ahead and take these guys back outside to hang dry, and our project will be done. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Till next time, class. Keep creating.